Hey everyone! What if I told you that within the next decade, millions of jobs could disappear, leaving many of us struggling to make ends meet? Sounds alarming, right? Well, today we're diving into the profound impact AI is having on our workforce and why it's crucial for us to adapt. If you want to learn how to take control of your future through self-sufficiency and homesteading, stick around. Let's start by looking at the rise of AI in the workforce. Automation and machine learning are transforming industries faster than we can keep up. From manufacturing to customer service, AI is taking over tasks that once required human hands. According to recent studies, it's estimated that by 2030 up to 30% of jobs could be at risk of automation. That's tens of millions of jobs. Here are the top 10 jobs that are at risk of disappearing in the next 10 years due to AI and automation. 1. Telemarketers 2, bookkeepers 3, receptionists 4, couriers 5, proofreaders 6, retail salespersons 7, taxi drivers 8, cashiers 9, assembly line workers 10, data entry clerks. And what does that mean for us? It means we need to prepare for a future where many traditional roles may no longer exist. As we face this technological shift, we also encounter a growing skills gap. Many of the skills that once guaranteed employment are becoming obsolete. So, what can we do to stay ahead? Embracing homesteading practices like gardening, animal husbandry, and other self-sufficient activities can be a way to adapt and thrive in this new era. That brings us to the importance of self-sufficiency. What does self-sufficiency mean in today's world? It means being able to support yourself and your family, even when external systems fail. One of the best ways to achieve this is through homesteading. Homesteading includes gardening, animal husbandry, and other self-sufficient practices. Imagine walking into your backyard and picking fresh tomatoes for dinner. Raising animals like chickens can provide you with fresh eggs and meat. Prepping isn't just for doomsday scenarios, it's about being prepared for any unexpected changes in our lives. Having a well-stocked pantry and emergency supplies can make all the difference in uncertain times. So, how do you get started with homesteading? First, find the right space. Whether it's a small backyard, a larger plot, or even a community space, you can make it work. Start with easy-to-grow plants like herbs, basil, parsley, or mint. They're low maintenance and great for beginners. There are plenty of resources to help you along the way. Check out books, online courses, or local workshops. And remember, the best way to learn is by doing. Here are a few quick tips. Make sure to prepare your soil well, water your plants properly, and keep an eye out for pests. You'll be amazed at how quickly you can grow your own food. Now let's talk about prepping for homesteading. Building a prepper's pantry is crucial for any homesteader. Stock up on non-perishable foods like canned goods, rice, and pasta. Don't forget about water storage. It's essential for any homesteading setup. Also, consider learning new skills like canning, preserving, or basic first aid. These skills can help you become even more self-sufficient. And don't do it alone. Building a community network can provide support and shared resources. Together we can prepare for a sustainable homesteading future. To wrap up, we've discussed the significant impact of AI on jobs and the importance of homesteading in achieving self-sufficiency and preparing for the future. Remember, learning new skills and preparing for changes is crucial. Start gardening now to build resilience and self-reliance. Embrace AI technology by staying informed and adapting to new opportunities it brings. Don't forget to subscribe for more content on AI and self-sufficiency. Comment below on how you feel about the upcoming changes in AI tech.